The Nekhung wireless battery wall sconces come as a coordinated pair that mounts without wiring, making them especially practical for rentals, older homes, and tricky dark corners. Each sconce uses a high-capacity, rechargeable magnetic bulb that detaches easily for charging, eliminating disposable batteries and reducing ongoing maintenance. The long-lasting battery design can cover extended evenings of use on a single charge, so you are not constantly hunting for a charger or left in the dark during power outages. Multiple white color temperatures and rich RGB options let you shift from functional task lighting to colorful mood lighting, giving one set of sconces a surprisingly wide range of uses. 5 adjustable brightness levels and the included remote control make it simple to fine-tune the light from bed or sofa without needing to reach for the fixture. The clean fabric shades and cable-free look help these sconces blend into bedrooms, living rooms, and hallways, while adding a soft, modern touch to the decor.